So I want to welcome everyone today to the Association of College and Research Libraries Virtual Worlds Interest Group, which is a part of the American Library Association, which has been meeting here in Second Life monthly for 15 years. And we start monthly right here at the VWEC Fireside Deck, and then we teleport to high-quality simulations or events or programs right here in Second Life, also across the metaverse. Sometimes we hypergrid jump. The Community Virtual Library has sponsored these events since 2009 with librarians and also educators and lifelong learners. Our librarians now work right here at the VWEC Thinkerer Info Center, which is named for Thinkerer Selby Evans. We're going to Pionia Destiny's build, which is called Rainforest Rescue at EduNation.
Hi there. So happy to see you all, and thank you, Val, and all of you to come and share with us this experience of saving the rainforest. This is something that I use with my students to introduce the topic of protecting nature. And so we have some games, language games, for them to know about what's happening in the world with rainforest, and also learn the language that is English.
And we will meet you right over at Rainforest Rescue. See you there.
And this is our home, the e-language center. That's my school, and this is where we come and play and make things happen here, learn and have fun. There is a teleporter next to it, right in front of it. So if you can all just sit there, see you there. Yeah. Over here, if you follow me, you can see Louis here, and if you click on him, only one of you please, just click on him, and he's going to give us a folder with instructions. Also, it's going to tell us what the instructions are, and you're going to get a folder in your inventory. So you can get a name card, and then you can wear it. You can just add it, and after you have it on you, then you can write your name.
In the grass or in a tree, look around, where could I be? Slithering quietly, a tail that's long. Find me where the green is strong.
Yes, you're right by the snake. That's the one.
Riddle number 2 says, up high where branches play, listen close to what I say. Swinging, jumping, full of glee, which creature in the canopy?
In the folder, they also have a note card where they are supposed to write some notes, okay? They are supposed to collect the information that they get from the animals. So this is something that it can be done in different sessions, not in one class because it's too much. So that's the idea, for them to come by themselves and explore and find the animals, read, and complete their note cards.
I'm very impressed by Data AI, and that was a good answer since we're here representing the American Library Association. He says librarians play a crucial role. He doesn't know everything, and he specifically is here to help with students in the rainforest. I think this is a really good example of using AI and controlling what it's able to do and setting some guidelines and boundaries. Very cool, Pionia.
Yep.